Hello, Bart. Would you like to play forever and ever and ever? Oh, wait. Wrong movie. Today, we will be reviewing the Simpsons World of Springfield Sherri and Terri action figures. And, this one with the closed mouth is Sherri. And then this one with the mouth that is open is Terri. And I like that at least they're not they're exactly the same figure. The accessories these figures came with are a jumping rope. Let me get them to hold it. Let's get her. Okay, here. Yeah, there. So yeah, you can have it like that, of them with the jump ropes. And so let's get the accessory out. And now let's get the box and show it off. So come on. So here's the box. The regular World of Springfield box. And these figures are part of Series 8. And it says on the top, World of Springfield Interactive Figure, Intellitronic Voice Activation. Then, right here it says, the timing worked out great. And then it says Sherri and Terri. Then it says, place Sherri and Terri on any compatible Springfield environment to hear them talk. Figures talk only when connected to compatible environments, sold separately. See back panel. Now, it says, Sherri and Terri feature Intellitronic voice activation. Just move them around any compatible World of Springfield interactive environment to hear them talk. Then it says again, the timing worked out great. Then it says, interactive Sherri and Terri work with this. Interactive environment, Springfield Elementary cafeteria. And then in the corner, the Simpsons, World of Springfield interactive figures. Then there's a picture of Sherri and Terri, and then it says Matt Groening. Then it says, collect all the World of Springfield interactive figures. And these are not this way, or it's this wave. Or all these characters on here are figures, but they're not all in the same wave or set. So there's Lenny, there's Ralph Wiggum, and then there's Captain McAllister, Bartman, Mascot Homer, Professor Frank, Officer Marge, Dolph Carney? Yeah, I think so. Ooter. Then we have Patty, Groundskeeper Willie, Bumblebee Man, Martin Prince, Snake, Bleeding Gums Murphy, Mrs. Krabappel, Cletus, Sherri and Terri, Superintendent Chalmers, Casual Homer, Itchy and Scratchy, Sideshow Mel, Kenta Brockman, Dr. Hibbert, Carl, Officer Lau, Hans Moleman, Ragin' Willie, and Daredevil Bart. And it says, collect all the World of Springfield interactive environments. So we have Bolorama with Pin Palapoo, Noiseland Arcade with Jimbo, Krusty Burger with Pimply Face Teen, Springfield DMV with Selma, Springfield Elementary Cafeteria with Lunch Lady Doris, Simpsons Kitchen with Mumo Homer. First Church of Springfield with Reverend Lovejoy. Sorry if I said that wrong. Comic book shop with Comic Book Guy. And that's it. And the figures look exactly like the characters from the show. And yeah, they look pretty good. And the articulation for these figures are, they can move their head from side to side, and then they can move their arms from up and down, or up and down, and then they're able to move their feet all the way around. Okay, let's see. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, it's not that much articulation, but what do you expect from these two girls? Or like action or kids. And yeah, and their articulation on their head is limited because of, their hair. Yeah, they're pretty good. All the action figures I've seen in the world of Springfield do look like the actual characters from the show. And and you've probably noticed, if you've watched my channel before, that I have only done Star Wars videos, but that's not the case anymore. And this is supposed to be a special video since November 21st was my birthday, and this is supposed to be like a special video for my birthday. I will be doing a lot more reviews, and I will be doing gaming videos, and I will be doing movie reviews. I will be doing a lot more stuff than just Star Wars. So I'll be doing Star Wars, The Simpsons, maybe horror, and then, let's see, and Scooby-Doo. So let's, yeah, this is a very nice figures, and I only have one other Simpson figure that I got, which I will be reviewing very soon, and that figure will be revealed when I review it. And I give these figures a 10 out of 10. Hope you enjoy, and may the Force be with you always.